Good morning! Here to celebrate my birthday alone. Simple celebration for myself for my birthday. And there's a noodles for long life. Kitchen 11 because it's in 11th floor. So malawak ang kanilang food court and a lot of choices. Marami kang pagpipilian. So let's go to the next part. And that's the IFC tower. And I like the green grass over there. And the Ferris wheel is sponsored by AIA. The journey. So join me to my journey at Chimchachuy to watch the Symphony of Lights. So I'm so maswerte lang ako at may nasilayan pa akong sunset over there. Thank. There, the sunset. So nice color. And the Symphony of Lights begin. I feel relaxed kahit mag-isa lang ako sa birthday ko. But a lot of people surrounded me, so I don't feel alone. I'm still happy. Sometimes you need to be alone and just enjoy. That's my favorite part. Yung pa-heart na yan. Suddenly, God bless us poured. Umulan siya, guys. Umulan ng blessings. So, we're so blessed. on our birthday. Stay healthy and happy. After the rain, nakapayong pa rin ako. So beautiful. And my yummy cake, cute cake. So that's it for my birthday. Thank you so much for watching. Live life to the fullest, square and fair. And to my next one.